making sure that Canada's vaccine supply is not affected is top priority.
Amid growing supply concerns, reassurance from the International Trade Minister.
I spoke to my EU counterpart yesterday and was reassured that the mechanism that they have in place would not affect Canada's shipments of vaccines.
Mary Ng told Rosemary Barton Live the federal government is working the phones to make sure every Canadian can get a COVID-19 vaccine shot by September.
We are on track with that respect, but we take nothing for granted.
The 2 vaccines currently approved by Health Canada are manufactured in Europe. The EU is now requiring vaccine makers to get approval before shipping doses overseas.
The aim is to provide us immediately with full transparency.
Canada is already facing production delays from Pfizer and Moderna, leaving some of the most vulnerable waiting.
I'm constantly getting messages that the vaccine is not going to be available. Very, very distressing.
Canada is not on the EU's exemption list, but the federal government says it made advance purchase agreements to secure supply. The opposition says Canada needs more than assurances and more options.
We need to make sure that we get on that exemption list so that we can have certainty.
We have a lack of domestic vaccine production in Canada, and that leaves us vulnerable.
Experts are also concerned Canada is losing the race against the virus.
The longer that it takes to vaccinate people, the greater risk that some of those variants could spread in the community.
But the country may soon have other vaccines in its arsenal. Health Canada is expected to approve AstraZeneca's version in the coming days. Johnson & Johnson and Novavax have also applied for approval. Olivia Stefanovic, CBC News, Ottawa.